So in this video we're going to then start looking at adding on the dimensions. So again, a working drawing is called a working drawing because in theory you give it to sort of engineers and people who make things, and they can then actually manufacture and make your product from your working drawing. So it needs all the measurements, all the dimensions that someone would need to actually make your product. So we'll definitely need some measurements on that. That's what we call dimensions. I think I'm going to start with this dimensions of the height here. So we need to know that. The dimensions of this height of wood, and then the dimensions of this steel pin, how far it sticks out above. So to do that, we always dimension things nice and neat. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to measure from the bottom corner of my drawing. I'm going to measure out. So from our bottom corner, I'm going to measure out 15 millimeters. Again, I'm doing it backwards, so I'm putting my ruler on 15, and then just putting a mark on 0. Again, you can do it the other way if you're not confident doing that. Just putting your ruler on 0 and marking 15 millimeters. Do exactly the same at the top. So ruler on 0, measuring 15 or 1.5 centimeters. Again, we're then just going to do a light construction line to start with. At that point, so we've got a nice, neat parallel line there. So, how we draw a construction line then, we've got our basic marks out because we've got a little bit of construction line extending out here, a little bit of construction line. What we're going to do, we're going to darken a line from the bottom of our base. But however, we're going to leave, for drawing that corner, we're going to leave a little gap of about 2 millimeters. I'm going to darken off a line, and again there's the line we've just drawn in. We're going to go past that line about 2 millimeters as well. So we should have darkened that line there. So it should have a gap in between there. Do exactly the same on the top. So nice and neat using a ruler. Leave a gap of 2 millimeters. Draw along that construction line. Oh dear, my pencil snapped.